I am going to talk about corporate leadership, and I have a slightly different view from what generally people talk about leadership. Just hear it out. And I am not going to take any questions, so allow me 20 minutes. Corporate leadership. It is like this slide. Black. Everything was black. I'm not talking about corporate leadership. I'm talking about my graduation day. You say, The day I was passing out, everyone was wearing black. It was my graduation day at IIT Roorkee. And for some reason, for some stupid reason, means you can't call your college stupid, they called a politician to give away our graduation degrees. And that politician started talking about honesty. And I was confused. I asked my father. So he said, don't worry. Focus on the message, not the messenger. Why I told you this story? Because you might be thinking, who is he? What is he going to talk about corporate leadership? Focus on the message, not the messenger. Fine? You're able to read this? You know, you have a brilliant mind. This has spelling mistakes. But still you are able to read it. You know how? Louder, louder. Huh? Acha, you are smart. I could have guessed that. Look, our minds are very smart. What you are doing is your mind is picking up the first letter of the word and the last letter of the word and making the word on its own. And that's why you are able to read it. And I will tell you why I talked about it. Let me introduce the topic to you, corporate leadership. Before that, let me tell you, this presentation has some movie references. In case you are not a movie goer, you will have problem in understanding this presentation. Although no parental guidance is required. Images are used for educational purposes and copyright is with the owner. So we are done with this. How many of you have seen Panchayat? Oh my God, then this is going to be a fun thing. So you already know these guys. I'm just going to give you a perspective on corporate leadership. So tell me, who is the king of the jungle? Who is the king of the jungle? Huh? अरे king of jungle नहीं समझ में आया? I am not asking Panchayat. This is for reference so that you understand who I am talking about. Jungle means forest. Lion. Yes. Why? Tell me why. Why lion is the king of the jungle? Power. So she is saying power, you are saying mindset, and both of you are right because that is what I have written in my slide. It is perception of power. Right? And understand, perception of power is very important. So that is the first learning. I am not going to talk about big things. I am going to talk about small things. 4 questions, 4 things I will give you. So understand, whatever anyone is telling you, power is very, very important. Because if power is not there, you can't charge your phone. Agreed? So whosoever is telling you leadership is this, that, now tell me who is the king? अरे वाह, क्या बात है? Try anything else? So it is about power. Why do they fight? Huh?
Victory.
To become king. Awesome. So, who is the king? The one who wins the fight, who dominates. Power, nature is telling us. They basically have a herd of the females they have to themselves. That is why they fight. Right? Inappropriate. Or, who is the king? Kya? This is Akbar. It is written there. Don't think it is Hrithik Roshan. One who has people to fight for. Right? If people are ready to fight for you, that means you have power and you are the king. Or this is the power. You know who this guy is? He is the mentor of the chief minister. From where most of our speakers have come. So the one who fights for people. Now tell me which definition is right. The one who has people to fight for or the one who fights for people? Okay, let me confuse you more first. Here is King Khan. So that means the person who is loved by people. यहाँ पे इंस्टा का लोगो लगाना चाहिए था ना? Right, Facebook is kind of dead. Or the person who empowers people. So tell me which of the definition is right for a king? He is also like a king. He has a hell lot of money. He can buy all the colleges in India. Which definition is right? All. Perception. Let's come to perception. Understand, central idea is people. That is the second important thing. And as management students, it is very important for you to understand. I hope, sir, you are also a management student? Yeah, you only. Hi, you look young, that's why I asked. Acha, you are also a management student. That's great. Look, that's the spirit. Now tell me, how do you recognize a king? How do you recognize a king? कैसे recognize करते हैं king को? By what they have done for the people. I have done lot of things for the people. All my life I have been doing things for the people. But you did not recognize me.
Organization has recognized you as a king. You are a leader for them.
Oh. Generic definition. How do you recognize the people? Okay, I will give you a puzzle. Sir, इधर focus करने गए. Just tell me, what do you see here? Lion king, right? Who is the king here? Lion is the king. Why lion is the king? Huh? Support of the people. Okay. Powerful. Tell me, those elephants are less powerful than this guy? This is perception of power. But what is making that perception of power? It is not the attitude. Attitude आ जाता है. कैसे आता है? हाँ, पावर में कैसे आता है? Mindset. You saw the throne? When you sit on a throne, then बाकी एटीट्यूड अपने आप आ जाता है. It is the chair which is very, very important. It is the throne which makes you the king. So whosoever sits on the throne, now Anna Hazare fought, but somebody sat on the throne and became the king. So you can fight for people and people are all for you, but you are not the king. Now tell me, is king a leader? And that's the last section. Sir, within time? Yeah. Huh. Fast, fast. Not every time. Look, basic difference. Leader is elected. King is selected. Clear? I will show you a picture. I saw downstairs also. No, upstairs also. तुम्हारा up down का बहुत problem. The same gentleman who visited your college. Tell me, what do you see in this picture? Two leaders? Two leaders? One from India, one from America? Or you are seeing a leader and a king? Who is the king? Barack Obama is the king. He is the leader. He was elected. The gentleman from India, he was selected. I am not getting into that. Focus on messenger or message. Focus on message. People accept kings as leaders. And in corporates, there are no elections. People are appointed. So whosoever is telling you leader बनना है, leader नहीं बनना है, king बनना है. Fine, and get a chair. That's why it is very important for HR guys to select the right people who can become kings and take the organization in the right direction. When Dr. Manmohan Singh was selected for the first time to become the finance minister of this country, he took this country forward because he had a vision what is to be done and he had the capability of what is to be done. So if you have that capability and if you have a vision that what you want to do for your organization, then any good HR guy will be able to pick you and make you a king. So that is what our job is, and I wanted to tell you that is what I do for living.